Are you ready to unlock your body's full potential and embrace a healthier, more vibrant you? Introducing Vitalyn, the premium health formula designed to support your wellness journey. Vitalyn is more than just a supplement, it's a commitment to your well-being. Our unique formula features 10 milligrams of pure CBD isolate, extracted from hemp, guaranteed 0% THC. We believe in purity and quality, which is why Vitalyn is GMO-free and made with 100% safe, high-quality ingredients. Thousands of satisfied customers trust Vitalyn daily to help them achieve their health goals, joining a thriving community dedicated to success. Vitalyn provides special support for your body with its unique burning power effect, designed for long-term use to achieve optimal results. Our formula is meticulously crafted with tested ingredients. Beyond the 10 milligrams of CBD isolate, we use vegetable cellulose for the capsule and rice powder. These carefully selected components ensure a premium product that you can feel good about incorporating into your daily routine. For best results, consistency is key. Take 1 capsule per day, swallowed whole, with at least 500 milliliters of water. It's recommended to take it 15 to 30 minutes before your main meal, preferably the one highest in fats or calories like lunch or dinner. Vitalyn is suitable for both men and women aged 18 and over, designed to seamlessly integrate into your lifestyle. While Vitalyn is safe for long-term use, it's not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Always consult your healthcare professional if you have concerns. Rare side effects, such as dry mouth, occur in less than 1 in 1,000 users. Vitalyn does not affect contraceptive pills, blood pressure, or your ability to drive. If you miss a dose, simply continue with your regular schedule the next day. Do not double up. Remember, 1 capsule per day is the maximum. Join the thousands who have already discovered the benefits of Vitalyn. Experience the difference that a premium, high-quality supplement can make. Ready to start your journey to optimal health? We have a special offer just for our YouTube viewers. Click the link in the description below to access an exclusive discount on Vitalyn. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your well-being. Order now and become part of the Vitalyn community. Your path to a healthier, more energetic life starts today.